On the 21st of July, 2024, an airport officer contacted a man cursing at travelers in a terminal. The encounter escalated into a physical confrontation. A full OC canister was deployed. A second encounter, the same shift, involved a knife-armed subject and a contested trespass. Both subjects were charged with resisting arrest and battery on a law enforcement officer.
I asked you a question.
What's the problem?
I asked you a question. Yes or no? Come on now. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. All right, peace.
Buddy, when I'm done, he's stopping.
Over with. When I say so. Shake your head all you want. Follow me home, see what happens. You don't have no head.
Dude, I'll fuck you, bro.
Ain't about that. You don't really live like that, ho. Me and my niggas will blow your ass away, boy. Somebody get this man. Ain't nobody gonna save you if I take off on you, boy.
You can do whatever you want, bro.
Yeah, I know.
You can do whatever you
I
want.
know. What's up, bitch?
Taser. Get over, I'll light you up again. Yo! Cheers, buddy! Don't fucking move! You hear me? You got him? Shut up!
I told him to stop following me!
Shut up!
I told him to stop following me! Let go of me! That is too tight!
Shut up! Custody.
Where are you gonna take me now?
Start the document.
Thanks for helping me, everybody. Can't make this shit up.
And he rescued you on the document. He's in custody. No one was helping you.
He ripped my...
No one was helping you.
Ripped it, bro.
You alright? When you rescue to check out the deputy also.
What you laughing for?
The first issue is OC deployment. The standard is Graham versus Connor. 1,989 3 factors apply. Severity of crime, immediate threat, and active resistance. All three are satisfied here. The subject threatened lethal violence, advanced physically, and resisted commands. Deployment was lawful. The second issue is the threats. City of Houston versus Hill, 1,987, protects offensive speech directed at police. Virginia versus Black, 2003, draws the line at true threats, placing someone in fear of death. Threatening to kill the officer, his children, and fellow officers by sniper satisfies that standard. Those statements carry criminal threatening charges independent of the physical resistance counts.
Shut up. Get on your side. Get on your side. Shut up. You gotta stay on your side. Shut up. Stay on your side. Stay up.
Loosen up these cuffs! Loosen up these cuffs!
Loosening up anything. Don't loosen up anything.
No, I'm not.
You don't even know who the f I am!
We know who you are.
Who?
Rescue the chicken.
My fucking eyes burning, bro. Fuck.
We're gonna be in the walkway. Let them know we're gonna be in the walkway.
You let them know.
Between Alpha and Bravo. Closer to Alpha.
Man, spray my face with water, please. Please, my eyes burning.
That's what happens when you get Mace. Your eyes hurt.
You working the shit?
Yeah, I can't, because he was it was a call.
Yeah, no, I heard it, so I came to back you up.
Dude, I used the whole camera.
Anything. I saw you.
Yeah, we got him in custody, guys. We can't rescue over here. I think we'll start a fighting room as soon as I got there, bro. I'm at the walkway between Alpha and Bravo, closer to Alpha.
Go outside. Hey, what the f are you doing, bro?
Bro, stay still. You understand me? Stay still. Don't fight.
I'm not moving, bro. Let me get
Stay
up.
still. No, you ain't getting up.
Somebody help me!
Am I hurt or anything? Do I have eye jamming or
No, you
anything?
got hit in the face. You are. Hey, you got hit in the face. That's all.
Yeah.
No, he sprayed me first.
Is that throw up or
He
spray?
sprayed me first.
Spray.
Not the spray,
He
bro.
sprayed
I
me
used the whole can on him, bro.
Listen.
You
Stop.
listen.
Unit on the air for top one.
Stop moving.
And we were still fighting, bro.
You understand me? Stop.
I used the whole can on him.
Let me know when the f you get up.
No, you're not getting
It's not there yet. Not time
I
yet.
can't see shit, bitch.
You gotta calm down.
They ain't never gonna calm me down.
I think he hit me right here, but
You did. No, he punched you right in the face. That's all.
He sprayed me first.
The third issue is the second encounter. The subject confirmed knife possession in her own words. Under Terry versus Ohio, 1968, the dispatch call, location, and confirmed weapon satisfy reasonable suspicion. Resisting a lawful Terry detention is a separate criminal offense regardless of the trespass charge's merit. Her trespass defense has facial legal merit, but it does not authorize physical non-compliance at detention. The Fourth Amendment remedy is to comply and litigate, not resist at the scene. The companion spat on officer's battery on a law enforcement officer, carrying felony exposure in many states. Officers applied a spit mask in response, a protective restraint, not classified as use of force.
You have an ID with you?
No, I don't have an ID with me. I need to kiss your knife.
Stop.
No, let me go.
Put your hands behind your back. Your hands behind your back.
That'll be nice, man. Oh, I have to give me the jail. I ain't did nothing. I ain't did.
Hey, don't move. Stay there.
I ain't did nothing. You give me the jail for what? I ain't did. You ran up on me first.
You're trespassing.
I ain't on nobody's property. This ain't their property right there. How you gonna take me to jail? It ain't trespassing. I ain't trespassing though. This ain't their property right here, man. That's too tight.
Show one to hand.
That's too tight, man. Let me out.
She's got a knife right there. Watch.
So what? I gotta protect my
Stand up.
Come on, man, put my shot.
I'll take a break. Yeah.
Y'all some hoes. Y'all ain't no shit.
All right. Knock it off.
Man, you knock it off.
Knock it off.
Let me go.
Stop.
Let me go, bitch.
Stop.
Let me go. Go ahead.
16. I will kneel for you. Perfect.
I ain't did nothing.
Okay. We'll
This ain't
figure
their
it out.
property, shit.
Listen, we're gonna figure it out. Just calm down, okay? Okay, we're gonna figure it out.
You lied on me. Talk about trespass. You know people lied on me. You don't even know Cuddy that long. You been over 36 years.
Listen.
Stop.
36 years.
Stop. Hey, don't make it worse. Relax.
Put a knife right on me.
Breathe. Okay? You're fine.
Hang tight
I ain't
to me, okay?
trespassing, bro.
Listen.
No more yelling over.
Make
See me, I'll come talk to you.
it worse, okay? Relax. I'm gonna check.
I'm
you,
trespassing though. This ain't their property,
Listen,
bro.
I'm gonna
He just
check
don't like me because I caused that.
Do you have anything on you? Do you have anything on you? Be honest. Do you have anything on you?
I pay.
Where's it at?
In my right side TV.
Okay. That's all you have?
Yeah.
All right. Let me check you real quick, okay? Spread your feet for me.
That's what my feet, I ain't got you know me, bro.
I still have to check you.
You rest of me for job. Y'all ain't gonna do your job right.
And
Look at the people, bro. Y'all better never get caught slipping. Never gonna get caught slipping. One of y'all cops better never get caught slipping, I'm telling you now. Never get caught slipping.
I don't understand what you're saying.
You ain't gonna never know. Never.
Okay,
Don't get caught sleeping late at night.
Yeah, she got no bond. I gotta get.
It sounds kind of like.
I know I ain't got no block and I ain't
You got a warrant.
You ain't gonna hold me.
You got a warrant.
Whatever. Fuck you, bitch.
Oh, hell no. See, wow, that's. Hey, you got a key for your car, so she stops spitting on
I'm
us.
gonna throw you again. Hold on, let me back out and throw you up again, you dirty ass bitch.
Do it.
I can't get in like that.
Get in there.
I can't.
Turn your head away.
I can't get in like that. You put me the right way, I get in. You put me the right way, I'm getting in.
Stand up.
Right, put me the right way.
Hey!
Probably.
Now.
16.
Throw you up again. I ain't running. I'm not even running from the thing. Why you going on face like that? Why you do all that for? Huh? When you off of duty, I know you stay at.
Knock it off.
When you off of duty, bitch, I know you stay at. Well, I'm gonna catch you up off of duty. I'm gonna kill you and your kids. I'm gonna kill you and your kids.
That's dumb.
Now, shut up. I'm killing all y'all. It's my. How you gonna take it off? It's my handcuffs. Handcuffs.
You got scissors?
You said he pointed, bitch. Handcuffs. Handcuffs tight. Did you see it? You tight.
Kicking me? Are you kicking me?
Handcuffs, you're dumb. Try to.
Sit back.
Now.
I like the idea of going right there.
You're a black China, bitch. Man. Fuck. Okay. Man, I got niggas die your sleep. Yeah, tell that nigga that I ain't selling weed. Like a drug dealer. Drug dealer. How you tell that, bitch? Tell that nigga drugs. Do that. Do you? Tell the police they got them you got in your house. Tell them you're a drug dealer. Tell them you're a drug dealer. Tell him something. Tell him. Yes, he is.
It's not.
What the fuck?
Take a breath.
Don't ask me a mother. Man. Ask me shit. Trespassing. That ain't their property. I ain't gonna like it for trespassing. You can't like it for trespassing because I ain't on their property. It ain't gonna make sense in the courtroom. Because they gonna ask them what property I'm trespassing on. That property ain't trespassing. I'm gonna kill your kids and your family. Your wife, everybody. Your kids first. I'm burning the while you look. Y'all gonna die slow. All y'all cops gonna die soon. Watch. I'm just like shoot y'all with a sniper one by one.
I got wipes. When you're done, I got wipes.
I'm gonna kill y'all one by one. With your kids, when your kids sit right there, you got your kids down.
All right, Mr. Max, we're gonna get you out. Come on out, okay?
I don't wanna get this. Get me out. How you get me out? Like I always do, come out and do no motherfuckers for no reason.
You got.
Like I kill black people for no reason.
The responding officer receives a B. OC deployment was justified under all 3 Graham factors. The deduction. A full canister expended suggests backup could have been requested earlier. Subject 1 receives a D. Death threats against the officer's family satisfy Virginia versus Black. Felony exposure applies. The body cam record eliminates any credibility dispute at trial. Subject 2 receives a C-. Her trespass defense has merit and belongs in a courtroom. She forfeited that advantage by resisting a lawful detention while in possession of a knife. Takeaway 1. True threats are not protected speech. Bodycam converts them into permanent evidence. Takeaway 2. Physical resistance is an independent criminal offense. It damages every subsequent defense. Takeaway 3. A confirmed weapon expands the officer's lawful authority. Disclosing it shifts the encounter. Let us know if there is a topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam.